This is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and good morning. Today we are going to be doing Charlie's Nail Art manicure. We're using Charlie's Nail Art products. I'm a proud ambassador. My code is Nailed It 10, all caps. So please use my code at checkout to save yourself 10% off your bill. These two nails are done. This is Orange Smoky Foil by Charlie's Nail Art. They've got different colors, so check that out. I think it's pretty cool. I think I should have put it over maybe a white background instead of spicy. I don't know what to call it. Where is it? By Joe Beauty. It's called Oktoberfest. I think this is maybe too dark. I should have had a white behind the foil. So, my mistake. Operator error. So we're going to go in with iMethods foil glue. I'm going to drop names here so you know what products I'm using. So we got the iMethods foil glue. Apply that to the nail liberally. You don't want it sloppy, but you don't want to like super dry nail either. Let's some of this off. Now if you have too much on, wipe your brush off, go back in. You're going to be light-handed, not heavy-handed. Now, I'm putting it in for 60. The ample time for it's 45 seconds roughly. If you can catch it, catch it. Here's our foil. I'm using a lint-free wipe to rub it on the nail. Jill from Never Naked Nails Nail Art is the one that came up with this method as far as I know. Seen her doing it on her channel and it works perfectly. It's a great asset to do it that way, and get a little bit of tips and tricks. It helps me. I have an issue with the sides. I always get good coverage here, but it's the sides I always have an issue with, so this does help that issue. We're also going to be putting bling. Index finger is going to be our glitter, which is also by Charlie's Nail Art. It is Ambiance of Fall. It's a really beautiful mix. There's maple leaves in there, different colors. So we're going to be using that. Now when your nail comes out of the lamp, you want to get it. You don't want to sit and wait around. Get right when it's coming right out of the lamp. Start rubbing with your lint-free white. Maybe put your nail into it a little bit. So I'm going to do it to my sides to help it transfer a little bit better. Because I always have an issue. I don't know if it's other girls that have such an issue as well with foils. I got a new lamp, so that really helps them out a lot, but some foils are tougher to transfer. Some don't transfer at all. With your foils, you want to check out, make sure of what side you're applying down. Maybe get your lint roller. Because some foils, like holographic ones, it's kind of hard to tell which stars sometimes. You can't tell which side's which. Get your lint roller. Okay, let's see what we got. Not wanting to release from the cuticle area, so I'm going to give it another rubbing. Get my lint-free white. Rub, rub, rub. There we go. Whoops. There we go. This is an orange smoke over two darker nail polish. I think we definitely should have went with the white. Food for thought for my purple that I have. So now we are going to take this nail We're gonna put some gel foil glue on it from She Modern. I do not believe they carry this anymore. They have stencil glue gel now. It works just as well. It's just as sticky. And that's what you want, is a sticky surface for your glitter. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp. Oops. Give that a cure. Gonna knock some stuff over. Now, this nail is going to be our bling nail. I've got my rhinestone glue, my brush, and then brush this all over the nail. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm just going to take this and brush this all over the nail. I will be applying top coat over it. You don't want too much, but you want enough. I think I got too much. Whoopsie. Oh man. Oh man. So let me get my bling. Let me get my bling. I have some beautiful, beautiful bling that I thought would offset the color of the foils and the polish. Oh, buddy. This gem is a big one. Oh, shoot. I wanted to apply top coat too as well. Oh my god, I can't get this open. Oh, we got it, we got it. This is a brand new bottle by Joe No Wipe Top Coat. I do like to put that over the foil glue or the rhinestone glue. Let me get my eyes on so I can see what I am doing. Apply your bling and what design you want to use. I'm just going to hurry and top them up here. And I will fix them as I go. Gotta get our babies in a straight line. You know, they're all kind of, oh, everything's moved. Everything has moved. Put this down, check it out a little bit. We got some squigglies. Some squiggly babies here. Sometimes placing your gems does take a minute. Just be patient. Need one more. Maybe two. Nope, this one. Oh, it's squiggly. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp. I'm gonna hold my hand there for just 5 seconds. I am going to give that a 60-second cure. We're gonna go in now with our glitter. Trying to get full coverage of the, not worried so much about the leaves. So I'm gonna let those come out first. There are quite a bit of them. I want the rest of the glitter, the fine mixed glitter. I'm not worried about the leaves. I know I'm making quite a mess on my desk. I'm trying to keep it over the dish. Press it down into the glue. Wait. Maybe run your finger along the sides, check for anything that is loose. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp. Cure that again. Here is our bling nail. It's a little crooked. A little crooked. Here we go, fresh out of the lamp. I am now going to get my top coat. I'm going to top coat our glitter. We're putting a liberal amount on. So there's no cross-contamination. Now I'm going to get my leaves that I put aside here. And apply these to the nail. Then I will be top coating with these as well. Put these in for a full 60-second cure. Meanwhile, I'm going to top everything else off. Again, this is orange smoke. Charlie's nail art foil. If you don't know Charlie's, it is charliesnailart.co.uk. Use my code at checkout. NailedIt10, all in caps. I will put it down below as well as in the description box. All my codes are always in the description box. Okay. So I'm going to top coat these again liberally. You don't know sharpness. So I'm trying to put a liberal amount on. Full 60-second cure, and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Your manicure turned out pretty cute. When you're putting leaves, sequins, phimos, when you top coat it, you're going to get them out of the lamp and you're going to feel your nail is not smooth. You need to get your file, your buffer. File and buff, make your nail smooth, top coat again. So, but these turned out really, really cute. So leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of any future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. Hope you've enjoyed this video here for you today. The video will be up. Pictures will be up on Charlie's nail art for leaves. And that is it for today. We will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.